Welcome to Digisoft Services.
In this video, you will know how businesses under IFF scheme of GST can upload vouchers directly from TallyPrime to the GSTN portal. TallyPrime Release 5.0 comes with the connected GST services that allows you to upload vouchers directly to the GSTN portal. This process eliminates all manual intervention such as creating JSON, Excel, CSV files, logging into portal, and importing JSON files into the portal to update GSTR 1 returns. Since the registered users filing returns under the IFF scheme file returns only at the end of quarter, TallyPrime provides an option to consider the report period while uploading vouchers and not the return filing period. You can take a look at the various steps to perform in TallyPrime to upload vouchers to GSTR 1 under the IFF scheme. If you have selected IFF, you have to file returns every quarter but need to upload B2B and CD/NR vouchers at the end of every month in that quarter and upload remaining sections along with summary at the end of the quarter. In F11 company features, ensure that GSTR 1 periodicity is set as quarterly. Now, you can open GSTR 1 and upload the vouchers. Press Alt-G. Type or select GSTR 1 and press Enter. You will see some new features in the GSTR 1 report from Release 5.0. You can see the time and date of your last online GST activity. Every time you do an online GST activity, the time and date is recorded and displayed here. In GSTR 1 report, press Alt-Z. Click Upload GST Returns. In the Upload GST Returns screen, before uploading the vouchers, press F12 and set the option Consider report period instead of return filing period for online upload to Yes. This will ensure that you can upload vouchers for each month of the quarter for the IFF scheme and upload the summary at the end of the quarter. Press Ctrl+A to accept the changes. Since the report opens for a quarter, the summary sections are included for upload. Set the report period for a month for which you want to upload the vouchers. Press F2 to set the period to April. When you change the report period to a month, TallyPrime will upload only the vouchers and not the summary. As you can see, the summary count is 0. At the end of the quarter, you can open the report for a quarter and upload the summary sections. Select the vouchers you want to upload using the space bar. In case you don't select any vouchers, all the vouchers with ready for upload status will be uploaded. Press S or click Send to upload the vouchers. Click Send OTP and enter the OTP sent to the registered mobile number. The login session is active only for 6 hours. When you attempt to send vouchers after 6 hours, you have to enter the new OTP sent to your registered mobile number. You can see the status of data exchange with the GSTN portal. You can see the message once the upload is complete. Similarly, send the vouchers for second month of the quarter, say May. Set the report period to May and upload. Further, for third month of the quarter, say June. Once you upload the vouchers for the last month of the quarter, open the report for the entire quarter, for example, April to June, and upload the summary sections for the full quarter. As you can see, GST registered companies availing the IFF scheme can now upload vouchers to the GSTN portal directly from TallyPrime.
For more information, please call us at 995-300-3900. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can also visit our website at www.digisoft.com.